Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see steps to install Anaconda Python. Before installation, let's see the reason why people most like Anaconda. Here is the reason. 1. It is free, open source platform that lets you to write and execute Python programs. 2. It simplifies package deployment and management. 3. It comes with numerous libraries or packages. This picture shows the Anaconda distribution. We have Anaconda Navigator, which is desktop graphical user interface that allows you to launch apps without command line commands. Anaconda projects capsulated with data science libraries. Conda is package and environment manager helps to install, update, and remove packages from your command line interface. The one we are interested in this video is Anaconda Navigator. After installation we get this desktop graphical interface. Let's dive to the installation. 1. Open your browser and type Anaconda distribution. Click the one that comes up on the right side after download open. Exe file and run. Click on Next, press I agree button. You can choose either of the two. It is advisable to choose the default or recommended one and press Next. Choose your file storage and click Next. Again choose default one and Next. After finishing installation, Anaconda Knuckles open automatically on your browser, but it doesn't have anything to do. So go to Start and write Anaconda things related to it will shows. Choose Navigator, and wait until it open. Now choose apps packages you want and launch. I prefer VS Code for Python IDE, you can use it for other programming languages too like Java, HTML, and so on.